welcome back to my channel, SK Creative channel, and today we'll be making friendship bracelets. Friendship bracelets are actually one of my favorite things to make. They're fun, they're easy, and they're a very good gift. Today's friendship bracelet will be the candy bracelet. This is the design that we are going to be making today. I am using these bright and bold strings, but you can use any kind of string, or you can use even yarn. So to first off, we have to get 4 colors. As you can see, I have 4 colors: pink, purple, blue, and white. I have 4 colors here, and each color has 2 pieces of string. And what you have to do, you technically have to think that each pair of strings is only 1 string. If we're gonna tie it, you shouldn't take it individually and tie it. What you should do, you should keep it keep it and treat it like 1 string. So first, take your 4 pieces of your 4 colors of string and put them together like this. Make sure not one color goes in between 2 pairs of colors, or else it might be hard to use it. Now make a knot with all the colors. Once you're finished your knot, make sure you order the colors. For example, on the left side I have pink, and then in the second strings on the left side is purple, and then the white ones are on the end, and then my blue one is beside the purple. Once you have sorted which piece of color goes where, take the first pieces of string. You can take it from the left side or the right side. It's your choice. And take the strings and put it over the second string. Now, make a 4 knot with the 2 pieces of the 2 pairs of strings. Now, this is the tricky part. Whenever you're tying it, it might come back. So what you can do, you can put a hard or something a little heavy and put it on top, and then use it to tie. Now tie both colors. Make sure you tie it really tight. Now do the same thing one more time. Now that you're finished, take the first piece of string, mine is a pink string, and then put it over the other string, making it the second piece of string now. Now, do the same thing with the blue string and repeat over and over again. With the blue one, as you know, we have to repeat. So I put the pink one over, and then I do the same thing to the white one. Now that I finished with the pink string, I do the same thing. I take the first color string from the left side or the right side if you're using the right side, and then put it over and repeat the same thing over and over again until your bracelet has at least a few inches that aren't knotted. As you saw, I had a little bit trouble with the packet because it wasn't heavy enough. That can also happen to you. So what I recommend is something a little more heavy. Unlike, you can use like a bowl, an empty bowl, or something that's heavy. Or if you're near your computer, you can use a mouse. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm gonna use this white paint. This is gonna take a long time. This is gonna take a long time, you know that, right? Also, one thing you want to make sure, when you're making the knots, you should always pull the first string, or the one that you're working with, in front. If you don't, then the other color will come instead of the color you want. Alright, back to work.